Today in crypto, Soldex utilizes the Solana blockchain to overcome the common DEX problems. The project runs on the fastest blockchain with the lowest fees. The project presents AI-powered algorithmic trading for a decentralized exchange. Over the last year, many assets have been hitting the market. Over 12,000 coins are currently being circulated on exchanges and swaps. To be exact, technical issues have plagued this wave of assets since most of them are either ERC20 tokens or wrapped ERC20 tokens which rely on the ERC20 network regardless. Efficiency Soldex is a new exchange that utilizes Solana to overcome all the problems that DEX websites are currently facing, namely the poor performance that the ERC20 network is currently facing. Solana is more efficient, with a capacity to handle more than 50,000 transactions per second, often for less than $0.0001 per transaction on the Solana network. Liquidity. Decentralized exchanges have always been a second choice to centralized ones like Binance and FTX, namely for the liquidity of the assets, which causes slippage. And traders do not like slippage because it can simply ruin the entire trade. Soldex fixes this problem by incentivizing liquidity which most centralized exchanges do not even offer. AI-powered algorithmic trading. Algorithmic trading is a force to be reckoned with. It is something that every trader anticipates affecting the market. So far, we have seen trading bots working with centralized exchanges, whether it is a feature in the exchange itself or through third-party apps. Soldex is offering the first trading bots for a decentralized exchange which will pave the way for a new generation of algorithmic trading away from centralized exchanges and in the comfort of your private wallet. We have recently heard of many apps that are being powered by GPT-3 AI, which is technically the most sophisticated AI in the market, learning and improving as it goes. These new AI-powered bots will surely evolve algorithmic trading into something much bigger and more sophisticated. Soldex features permissionless trade perpetual on any pairing. Our governance will ensure that the best trading pairs are available and that only the safest oracles are used. Efficiently incentivize liquidity. Liquidity pool trading is predicated on having enough assets in each pool to facilitate instant trades. Soldex addresses this requirement by incentivizing users to deposit assets and provide liquidity. Community governance. Token holders can establish consensus by voting on governance proposals or introducing new proposals for a vote. Ecosystem foundation layer. Attract assets and build incentives that can empower an ecosystem of financial products. Real-time settlement and light-speed swaps, faster and more efficient trading experience. Soldex is currently in the midst of conducting a private sale, offering Soldex tokens to interested retail investors. Join the private sale by contacting the sales team at sales@soldex.shy or find out more by visiting soldex.ai. Continue reading on CoinQuaro. ADALend is one of the most efficient and stable DeFi platforms on the market. The project is a scalable and decentralized lending protocol. It leverages the benefits in one of the top blockchains, Cardano. ADALend is a scalable and decentralized lending protocol governed by a decentralized autonomous organization, DAO. ADALend will offer various features that will provide its users with decentralized financial instruments accessible to everyone with access to the internet, without the complicated KYC requirements of the mainstream banking system. The protocol will improve digital assets capital efficiency by enabling assets accumulated to fund multiple loan pools. The protocol will utilize the Cardano blockchain to flesh out DeFi potential as a viable replacement to the traditional financial sector. Green blockchain. Blockchains of the future will be required to have a lower impact on the environment, working efficiently without consuming enormous amounts of energy to remain operational. Cardano has been one of the most energy-efficient blockchains in the industry. 1.6 million times lower than Bitcoin and well below the average level of high market capitalization coins. Cardano has also announced its partnership with Verit, recreating the first global Cardano Impact Challenge, an initiative that aims to reinvest donations into replanting trees worldwide. Platform security. The Cardano codebase was developed in Haskell, a widely popular programming language explicitly chosen for its ease of auditing. The Cardano blockchain will offer a protective layer of security for the ADALend protocol to function without breakdown. Unlike many DeFi protocols that suffer from issues due to its blockchain complexity, ADALend is considered one of the most efficient and stable DeFi platforms on the market. ADALend will also enjoy the further developments in the Cardano blockchain performed by Input Output Hong Kong, IOHK, which has a very strong team that is always working on further improving the blockchain. Summary: in reality, these are the two major factors that will be considered when looking for future providers of financial instruments. Efficiency and security will come as a top concern for users in 2022 and beyond. The replacement of the mainstream banking system will not happen overnight, but it is the constant enforcement of stable alternatives that will be considered the end of traditional financial services. ADALend had an oversubscribed seed round earlier last month. With the private sale round running out quickly, many investors are rushing in to guarantee their spot in the private sale. To find out more about ADALend, visit their website and read their white paper. Continue reading on CoinQuara. Secretum created a revolutionary and secure messaging and trading DApp. The DApp will set a standard for messaging and will be based in Solana. Users who want to join the private sale can visit the Secretum website. Telegram took the world by storm when it was first released in 2013. The brainchild of the Durov brothers, the founders of Contact, known as Russia's Facebook, Nasdaq FB, the cloud-based app soon became a synonym for secure, end-to-end encrypted messages, and a wide range of channels and user-friendly features. Telegram was an immediate hit and grew exponentially. From only 100,000 active daily users in October 2013, it reached 100 million in January 2016 and 500 million by the end of 2020. As of today, Telegram is the fifth most popular messaging app in the world. Despite its success and growth, recent events have begun to put into doubt the reputation of Telegram as the go-to safe messaging app. In June 2019, hackers were able to break into the Telegram accounts of thousands of top Brazilian officials, including President Bolsonaro. In March 2020, Telegram mistakenly exposed the data of 42 million users, user account IDs, phone numbers, and names. Telegram suffered a massive data leak in August 2020 that exposed the personal data of over 500 million users. Cybercriminals were able to take advantage of Telegram's chat scripting tools to hack bank account data. The cyber unit of the Chinese government claimed in 2018 to be able to hack into Telegram. These events have led millions of users to openly ask, is Telegram really that safe? Telegram's weaknesses. Exposed. Telegram has been designed in a way that by default exposes its users to a variety of risks. Telegram needs access to the user's phone contacts for registration and collects IP data, the user's location. That means users can only message people they know, while the stored contact info jeopardizes data security. Some end-to-end encryption options are offered using the MT Proto 2.0 protocol, but some messaging remains unencrypted. Having a cloud-based architecture means all messaging histories are stored on Telegram's cloud, where it is vulnerable to being hacked. With no other viable competing messaging solutions on the horizon, the only truly safe alternative may come in the form of a technology that is already revolutionizing the global economy: blockchain. The Secretum solution, the start of the secure messaging era in 2020. A team of crypto technology experts from Lithuania began work on the ultimate blockchain-powered app, with the aim of creating the safest messaging protocol in the world, Secretum. Secretum is the world's first and only decentralized, encrypted messaging app, built on the innovative Ethereum and Solana blockchains. It offers users an easy, intuitive, and direct messaging platform, based on unique technological innovations. A completely secure and anonymous sign-up, only needing a crypto wallet address. There is no need for names, IDs, or phone numbers, like Telegram. It's total user privacy, without compromise. There is no cloud storage and no user moderation. It has complete end-to-end encryption for all messages between users, completely eliminating the risk of hacks or data leaks. All messaging history and files are held on anonymous, independent, and non-connected nodes, on the Secretum network, which eliminates all points of failure and, as it grows and expands its nodes, becomes increasingly secure. In addition to its advantages as a messaging app, Secretum also revolutionizes how crypto assets are exchanged via a proprietary peer-to-peer function. All fungible and non-fungible crypto assets can be traded peer-to-peer without the need for an exchange, as easy as sending a message to a friend. Thanks to Solana, the fastest blockchain in the world, Secretum fully takes advantage of low gas fees, high block speeds, and minimal commissions. Secretum sets a new standard for global messaging apps, making communications more secure, more reliable, and more trustworthy than ever before. With its crypto trading functions, it positions itself to ride the trend of rising global crypto asset ownership and trading. Thanks to its technology and functions, Secretum has the potential to become a globally known and recognized brand, just like Telegram, only without its limitations. Join the Secretum private sale. Continue reading on CoinQuara. Data is the most important element of today's information-driven businesses. The better decision-makers understand their staff's requirements, industry developments, and client expectations. Also, it can more strategically plan future growth. This need has fueled massive development in decentralized cloud storage. Storx aspires to be a decentralized cloud storage leader. Convenient enterprise-grade storage options like Google Drive are combined with solid open-source technologies. It wants to democratize the monopolized cloud service industry. Its technology allows consumers to rent storage from individual farms rather than a centralized service provider. Moreover, it is an open-source initiative. Storx Node is for you if you want to put your empty disk space to work, contribute to the future of cloud storage, and be paid. Storx is a decentralized cloud storage service backed by the Sinfin blockchain network. Anyone may run a node on the network and earn SRX tokens. The network integrates Google Drive with dependable open-source technologies. It also promotes good performers and removes bad performers. It uses an AI system to assess node reputation. The user, the star, and the satellites are the three core parts of Storx ecosystems. The SRX token is a payment currency on the Storx platform. The user hosting data must pay an SRX, and the farmer hosting node will receive it in SRX. The primary role is to help the network as storage node operators establish storage supplies. The inclusion of nodes in the network and their reputation is based on node reputation. Storx relies on a scalable and robust node reputation system. The sophisticated Storx AI system quantifies the node's stability and performance. The system employs reputation measurements to exclude adversaries from the network, enhancing security, dependability, and durability. The network offers a unique procedure for adding additional nodes. When a storage node enters the network, its reputation is set to 0. Whenever someone uploads a new file to the Storx network, the satellite adds unvetted nodes to the target list while maintaining file durability. Satellite is a sequence of machine learning methods that improve payload distribution on a node. Unvetted nodes must present proof of work to store data. After vetting, the node is selected for broad upload. A node's reputation rises over time as it stores data and produces proof of work for it. The standard storage nodes are chosen based on throughput, latency, dependability, uptime history, and geographic location. As part of the load balancing process, all uploads are forwarded to qualified nodes, with a preference for recommended nodes but a possibility for any qualified node. The system monitors the node's activity. Its reputation score grows over time if it gives download statistics, passes audits, and maintains uptime. Node reputation is used to determine a node wallet's reward eligibility. The Storx governance team has a good reputation. The mark refers to the node's reputation as an active network member eligible for $SRX incentives. The Storx governance team may alter this barrier to accommodate the growing network. Penalties for low reputation nodes are in the amount of $SRX tokens. AI automatically deducts token staking/reward penalties. The whole procedure is kept within the smart contract for community accountability. The Storx ecosystem functions flawlessly when storage node operators maintain good node reputation. Nodes that perform poorly may be disqualified, resulting in no hosting and staking incentives. Staked SRX may be burnt as a punishment if it repeatedly harms Storx storage network. A robust node satisfies all of the READM's criteria. Its reputation will grow as it stays active in the network. Because a node's reputation is based on its contribution to the network, greater network activity means a higher reputation. Node owners, farmers, are asked to distribute and utilize the Storks app as much as possible to build a reputation. Access the farmer dashboard to verify repute. The team is working on a dedicated dashboard to show the node's data. One of the other plus points, Storks is always open for input and ideas to improve the farm node's reputation-based reward and punishment mechanism. They consider recommendations seriously as it will help establish a better and more simplified node reputation environment. To summarize and conclude, in simple terms, on the Storks mainnet, SRX is a utility token that drives the Storks data storage marketplace. Operators need to set up node and earn SRX. Also, save data and pay using SRX. Node operators need to maintain good node reputation to ensure Storks ecosystem works perfectly and operators earn through the node and its reputation. The cryptocurrency market is in high spirits on October 29 after bulls managed to lift the price of Bitcoin, BTC, back near the $63,000 support zone, and Ether, ETH, has established a new all-time high at $4,460. Here's what analysts are saying about the market now that Bitcoin is finding support above the $60,000 level and Ether looks to enter price discovery. Continue reading on Cointelegraph. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.